Now the next thing we're going to need to do is give it some wheels, but we actually want the wheels to move, so I'm not going to draw them on this sprite. I'm going to create a new sprite for it, and it's going to be a drawn sprite. So I'm going to click on the cat and hover over the cat, and then I'm going to click on the paint tool and I'm going to draw a wheel. I'm going to use a bitmap to do it, so we click convert to bitmap again, and I'm going to go to black. Now to set a black colour, put both of these sliders down one end, and then pretty much straightforward all the way will get you a black. And I'm going to go to the ellipse tool and drag it out like that. Now if you hold down the shift key while you're doing it, it will make sure it's an exact circle, and you'll get a rough idea of how big it's going to be. That's possibly a little bit big for the car, so let's just shrink it down a little bit from the corner like that. We can always make more adjustments if we need to. Now inside that car I'm going to draw another ellipse, but I'm going to make this one a grey colour, so I'm just going to adjust to get a kind of silvery grey colour for inside of my wheel. And again I'm going to hold down shift to make it a circle, and then you can just nudge it into the right place either with the arrow keys on your keyboard or with the mouse. And finally I'm just going to put some sort of spokes on my wheels in the middle, just by using a slightly lighter grey colour, and that will just be, I think, 8 spokes I'll put on this one. And then if you click elsewhere you can see how the wheel is going to look. Now I've got a tiny little mark there, you can see that's come from something else, so I'm going to use the rubber just to rub that out. Now if you find your wheels are a little bit too big, what you can always do is click on size here and change it from 100 to maybe 90 or something, just so that they look more suited to the size of the car.